Shri Sitaram Bhai Naranji Patel Institute of Technology and Research Center, Degree College, is the premier institution approved by the All India Council for Technical Education (AICTE), New Delhi, and affiliated with Gujarat Technological University (GTU), Ahmedabad, Gujarat, imparting technical education offering following undergraduate courses: chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, and mechanical engineering. And it also deals into post-graduation courses offering Masters of Engineering into Construction Engineering and Management, Signal Processing and Communication, and Production Engineering.
So I am Dr. Kausal Kishore Singh, Associate Professor at the Department of Chemical Engineering, SNPIT, and RC Umra. So here we are working on the conversion of waste materials into useful products. So here we are doing the recycling of cigarette butts. And recycling and reusing the valuable waste materials can result in development of fantastic and usable products. So rather than putting these waste materials into the landfills, various innovative and creative ideas can be put together to being something new and useful. So cigarette butts and other tobacco wastes are the most common items picked up in urban and beach cleanup worldwide. So tobacco waste contains all the toxins, nicotine, and carcinogens found in tobacco products, along with the plastic non-biodegradable filter attached. So toxicity studies suggest that compounds leached from cigarette butts in salt and fresh water are toxic to aquatic microorganisms and taste fish. So toxic chemicals have also been identified in roadside, and every year smoke cigarette butts in trillions globally being discarded into the environment. So we are trying to recycle cigarette butts, and we are making useful products from these cigarette butts such as pesticides, insecticides, and mosquito repellents.
With the student of final year chemical engineering are representing our project on recycling of tobacco waste.
In our project, cigarette butts and many other type of tobacco waste are most commonly picked up by beachside and other urban area. This type of tobacco waste are different type of chemical are uses and recycle of tobacco waste. We can make our different type of surrounding and other environmental are green to this type of tobacco waste. Many different type of product using by the attractive product of recycle of tobacco waste.
We make one product of pesticides. First, cigarette butts collected in one beaker and 250 ml of water, clean water, taken in another beaker. After we have cigarette butts added in 250 ml water, after 10 minutes we have screened cigarette butts and this solution. Solution added in 10 ml boric acid, and 10 minutes again stirring. We have to solution to use as plants to remove pesticides and fungi and other bacteria.
As a first product of our project, we have made pesticides from the recycling of tobacco waste, and now as a second product we are going to make cellulose acetate from the cigarette butts waste. So first of all we are going to prepare 3 beakers of 100 ml water, which are prepared with, in first beaker, 5% weight by volume sodium chloride solution. In second beaker we have taken 5% sodium acetate weight by volume solution. In third beaker we have taken 0.02% sulfuric acid solution, then put it for 30 minutes at the room temperature. Repeat the procedure for 3 times, and then each solution are prepared and decanted and extracted with diethyl ether or hexane. Then repeat it procedure for 2 times, and then as a cellulose acetate recovery, we can get the white cellulose acetate substance. That's it.
At the end of the experiment, we get 2 products, pesticide and recovered cellulose acetate from cigarette butts in order to reuse it. When we experiment recover of cellulose acetate from 3 different type of chemical, we get best result from sulfuric acid in compared to other 2 chemical. For the first product is pesticide, is used as a domestic plant for killing insects. And other product is reused cellulose acetate from using kitchen and home pillow.